microwave from Barbara. Let me tell you something. So many times I talk about persons and you think I'm talking about the individual image. I'm talking about their character. You understand me? You see, no fun to forget how to derive. But I will never lose my upbringing. You see, growing up in the ghetto, you have a lot of persons with behavior like Pam's own. You see, these are the set of persons who act as if everything is going for them. Because you know, you have some people who make you feel as if, oh, everything is going for me. But they would suck every penny from behind your back. They would never give you an opportunity to have an experience. They would never. You understand what I mean? I say? And it's just Pam that she is the type of person who knows that you have done shegries. So when people do your shegries, just count it a loss, man, and move on. You understand what I mean? I say? Just say people is people. Let's move along, because I've done a lot of stuff too. And I'm still doing stuff. So oftentimes them come up and them behave one way in the public, and then behind the public now, they must something else. I'm bemused. When you can't walk and treat people so, who is Barbara forget 60,000? That's not what we are talking about. We say you collected $60,000 for the job. We never said that you had to give Barbara 60, but because you gave her 8 from 60, we say she deserved everything. Don't you understand? That is it. One not genuine. And anytime nobody class Pamputtae, she come up white people not like her, you never make yourself friendly. Accept it and stop crying wolf. One or two outer order. You're still alright. You address Barbara's situation, but you don't address Pretty D. Why you never address Pretty D too? Why you never use one stone and kill all of the bird them? Kill all of the bird them, make you think of winter. Exactly, humble should behave like Barbara and nothing. And that is the problem. You can address Barbara's situation, but this young lady who you violated her pride and her dignity, you don't address it as a female, and then you don't talk about female empowerment. You say Jamaican people don't want shot with shit. I know Jamaicans are dead like shit. If you don't think 80 bad pan over, check Jamaica. Yeah. Exactly. And then I come and talk about, then who is Barbara? For me get $60,000. The fact of the matter is they wanted to use Barbara re-promotion. That's exactly what you're doing now. So when everybody has said, Shebada come on for Pam and leave the lady alone, she nearly makes somebody's daughter, or me don't know, she makes somebody's daughter get raped. You understand me? Me don't know, she makes somebody's daughter pum pum get taken away from her. Let me tell you that. But una now see that up to today the girl cry, Barbara breakdown. Too much eye water depend this motivator. Too much eye water sit down upon the motivator. I'm not asking you guys, but una sit down. And una say, oh, them people are disposable. Exactly, Kay. So when she take to live and I post video about, yes, somebody, for a big old woman, make sure you put on your funeral money, cause it look like I didn't need to go bury you. For a big old woman. People are say, don't cuss Pamputtae about her illness. I never cuss me, I remind her. I'm reminding her, cause lest we forget, you cannot be hurting people and you're hurting. And she make everybody know Barbara. So all she can make people know Barbara and she can't make nobody know she. That's funny though. That is so weird. Little Miss all about the truth. Yeah. So when she go on about weird age, Pam go and have several seats and grow your kids. Oh. Me don't know how she can make people know people and all know nobody don't know she. She use her gift wrong. And me attack the little Miss all about. No, me not stop it. Yeah, this way. Little Miss. Me I tell my mother. So, yeah, you don't do that. Una give good explanation. Una like use all of these people. All of them people wanna feel minute and then when you don't wanna walk and talk about una love people. Una love this but Barbara say you hear she talk and it's true Pamputtae a son a stay. Wanna walk on and listen to hot mouth people. Hot mouth people and draw to them. Remember them wanna use for intro. Remember if you're in the industry for so long and you have to use all of these people and rob them, it simply means that you never have no growth. What can these people come with that you not have? Remember you in the game a long time. What can these people come with that you say blow wow and have to run with it? What? You guys are not creative. I mean them have their own signature. It's theirs. So sometimes I establish them, I use them. For phone who want benefit, you not do nothing for them. You're not doing shit for them. Exactly. Enough more people Pamputtae traumatized. Well, all of these people want to take up and hold up. What want to do for them? Not one earthly thing. Once Ziddy did that, no we not hear not about Ziddy. Once Candy did that, we not hear not about Candy. Once Rose and Expert did that, Rose used to drive in all topless. We not hear nothing more about Rose. Mike Ghetto Jackson, we not hear nothing more about Ghetto Jackson. All of these people, and it's not today me I talk about all of these things. And una always attack XYZ, always attack ZYE. All of them wanna use them for their own benefit. Come. Ziddy, come sit in the front of the car, Ziddy. Yes, Ziddy. Ziddy I drive. Yeah, Ziddy. Yeah, Ziddy I drive. See Britney there. Britney just get peer music video deal. All artists jump up on Britney like, yo Britney man, what's up? What's poppin'? Yeah. See Britney there, Britney one artist. Britney don't have no manners. Britney never have no manners from morning. Morning. From morning. No, for sure. So when I say people love it, I sit down enough time I watch on exploit people. I watch on mash up people. I remember when I youth when named Isaac did again a crowd. Everybody suck up on Isaac the AI. Everybody. Isaac they just a flow song. I me just sit down so, and me shake my head and I say, I will not even utter a word as to how this is going to end. And it's just so funny that you see the guy in his own lane. When you claim to stay on your support, when the word supporting Isaac, when you just want upstage Isaac shine. I'm laughing at myself. I'm laughing at myself. And I say, if I say nothing, everybody are going to say, me bad mind. Everybody are going to say, me this. Everybody are going to say me that. And I just sit down and keep my mouth shut. So, and when I look, yeah, you don't do stuff like that. You don't do things to phone on again and then sit and when people talk, you say people are bad mind, you know. We're trying to bring unity. Unity to the thing. Unity to the thing we're trying to bring. And you don't realize that when you did a look, a highlight from a different race, you never remember that your race needed unity on TikTok? But they don't like when you speak a particular way because you have, and you notice people's problem too, they will see the truth and because them feel say you have a following, them afraid for talk the truth. Them afraid for talk the truth because them say, me don't want the comment section yam me up. The comment section yam up me many times. And I know them can't belch because I sit down on them chest like a all-star. You think me not like when them yam me up? Me love it when them yam up me. Eat all you can. Yeah. Ra, thank you, Ra. Thank you again. From man, you just tell you thanks, so. Yeah, but it's not lie. You can't do that and say that you're bringing unity. Unity to who? We're not business if you and your cronies them fall apart. We never put them together. We did not put you guys together. Everything was done strategically. Baby shower come up, so World Cup match up for call. World Cup match call because baby shower is in no time. Uno go the first round, gather the money, so no one get what you want. Everything become unnecessary. No one start watch who and who gift. I told you guys. And when I don't know, say we are business people. Yeah. I wonder what lip color this year. No, for true. Yeah. And put on my lip, I can't find my lip. My lip last. I can't find my lip, yeah. Yeah, reverse psychology them I use. So when you see the setup, baby shower come up in here, you come a beg money for your friend after you win a match. You come a beg money for your sick friend. And why not use the baby shower money? Yeah. Not shower not have to keep. You're not going like a baptize the fetus or baptize. Exactly. No. Look at it, everybody. Look at it. You got responsibilities. You have something in your head. Baby shower, come up in and go get some money, you know. You understand? And play your part. Una alone makes me sleep full, you know. Oh, at the baby shower, I tell the gifters to pay back. When the gifters to pay back with them and the gifters give the money for put on the baby shower. All along, yeah, say your woman wealthy in the world, and we all know, say from we know you, you know work. You get what me I say? So you're one of them boys who like when people mind you. You say none of the people in pan TikTok not have money like your woman. Yoga yo! Yeah. You should have relaxed and come on the net just to come on the net sake. Because we all know you like when people take care of you. So if you tell the internet, like how Rosalie tell the internet, say, she and Stanley are millionaire, prove it. So that is why I tell them, say nothing want to do is genuine, but yet still people are fighting on down. How can your woman, you cost the internet and say she richer than everybody on the net? Remember you and once somebody catch up and you bring in everybody. You bring in everybody in the argument. Nobody asked you how rich your woman was, but you did speak out and you tell us. So why you beg so hard? It's kind of puzzling. Why? Alright, you keep the baby shower. You knew you were going to keep the baby shower, don't? You come up with a World Cup. You play the first match because the baby shower soon approaching, fast approaching. So you play the first match, you play a big match. You're gonna plan it out. If we get Quiet Perry, Tantanisia, me and Swissley, then we have an audience. So you do that. And after you do that now, but you can't go and waste time till the baby shower come up. So the baby shower come up, you want a little more money. So you come and you say your friend's sick. So Willie not their prison. Willie not their prison. Willie are your friend. Why you never spend some money on Willie? Willie is your friend. Comes what may, when you and him kick off. Willie is your friend. Willie is your friend. So Willie not their prison. We are not collect no money for Willie. Willie not need liar like Ibani. Willie is your friend. So you know you're gonna keep baby shower, you have a sick friend now. Why you come back on the net and beg the net? And in the baby shower you're gonna tell the internet to pay back for the gift. World dog, you want shot with shit. You want shot with shit, you big harder than a girl. World dog, you have to suck old. You have to suck cocky, world dog. Yeah, you have to. Now I'm have to suck cocky, man. World dog have to suck old. Una big harder than girl. And when I don't no, what on this? And when I don't understand. World dog if I beg. Yeah. When I don't understand, when I'm a man, when I'm a man, when I'm a man, when we sit on a little hole behind, you know. When we sit on a little hole behind, you know. For sure. Big hard. No, people are gonna say, uncle. People are gonna say you're bad minded. He said, no. People are unconscionable. They are unconscionable. Everything must be done freely for you. And then you walk and talk so that. Once you put the money to use like Rosalie, or she put it to use. Shebada do this and beat me and drop the buckle on the ground. Them a rob, no, them a thief. Nobody thinks that them people are going to thief them way in heaven. All not talk and go on. Una always I go give World Dog on the money till him dead because it can't go to use because them intention is not right. All them I go can do is tear down the clearance so I can change them clothes for no nastiness. Them can't, you know, say World Dog claim to say my open smoke shop. Where is the smoke shop? The smoke shop them coming like the house them a little land and they can travel. They can move from one